Just look at you. Look at the level of shame and disgrace you both brought to this family today. Odimanu, if you must fight, why will it be at the funeral of all places?
Nne, I was right. Your son here, Osita, passed me by. Am I not supposed to eat and drink like every other person in that burial?
Bam.
Huh?
Yes. And Osita here passed my husband and gave food to someone at his back. Makagini.
Mbalinu.
The deceased was only a teenager and you were fighting over palm wine.
And so?
You are so stingy,
Osita. You are so stingy. You just stingy na bury alone money. You need to stingy ever.
Yes.
You are stingy here and you are stingy. With someone's burial.
Don't touch my Don't touch my wife.
Truth is better, let me tell him. You don't hear her? Why are you not ashamed, Ijenu? You are not ashamed, even Pim. Truth is bitter. I will say it. He's too stingy. Come as it. Let it bitter you down to your stomach. Ogini. Hi. Ifeleme. Mama, what did I say now? I just said. I said you should shut up. Oginikwa. What is it? Why are you packing the oil as if you are the only one eating here? Eh? Am I not talking to you?
Ijenu, this is my house. No, allow me to eat food the way I want.
And so?
Don't provoke me.
Can you two stop fighting? Must you two fight every single day?
We don't keep quiet. Huh? Are you mad?
Hey! But dear, stop it! Don't you dare shut up my daughter. What is that? In fact, you're not eating. Come on, what is that?
Ijenu.
What is that?
Ijenu, drop that yam.
Eating.
Drop that yam here.
Drop what? Drop what? What is your problem?
Ijenu, don't get me angry. Drop that yam here.
I should not get you angry. What is your problem? What is it? In fact, you're not eating anything again.
Thank you, my wife.
I hope you enjoy it.
As always.
Chisom. Come on, Smith.
Chisom, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are your parents?
They're fighting as usual.
Fighting?
Chisom. Don't say that. They're your parents.
I know, but that's the truth. They're always fighting.
It's okay. Come on. Wash your hands.
Obodo Nibo, Koro. Troublemaker.
You like it?
I like it here. It's very peaceful.
Come here.
I like her so much. She's very intelligent.
Very, very.
I like her.
What's it? Come back here. Ijenu, come back here. What is wrong? Release my child. Ijenu, what is it?
Why do you chase a child into someone else's compound and you still insist on beating her in front of the person?
Hey, Ijenu Atarafufo. Who is talking? Because I cannot see anybody. What I'm seeing here is barren witch, barren witch. Everywhere is smelling barrenness, barrenness. Everywhere let's see barrenness, barrenness. Look at this woman. Look at this barren witch that cannot give birth to ordinary child. It's telling Mama Ijenu how to treat my own daughter. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You know what God is making? Wake! That is what you are. Listen to me, let me tell you something. Remove your mouth in whatever that concerns Ijenu. If not, what
did I do to deserve this insult?
I don't understand. You did everything wrong by interfering.
She's not going anywhere. Chisom is also my child. You don't have to beat her.
Who's also your child? You want to claim my own child? I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. You don't know what it takes to bear a child. You don't know what it takes to be even pregnant. Ordinary getting pregnant, you don't know what it takes to get pregnant. I don't used to sleep at night. You don't know. Now you want to claim her. It will not work for you.
What have I done to deserve this insult?
You have done everything by not giving birth to a child. Go and bear your husband a child. What's my business? I'm not even seeing your crocodile tears. What is that one? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Go and bear your husband a child. Remove your mouth from whatever that concerns Ijenu. Makandoge.
Osita, what are you doing here? Huh? Listen to me. This land belongs to me. You are trying to cheat me.
Obodo, I'm not trying to cheat anyone. This portion of land belongs to me and you know it.
I know nothing. As far as I'm concerned, this particular land here belongs to me. Stay away from this. In fact, leave here now. Leave here immediately.
I should leave my life.
I am the owner of this. In fact, if you don't live here now, we are going to fight. Now. Leave here.
We are family. We can't fight over this.
We are not family. We are enemies. If you don't live here now, we are going to. In fact, I want us to fight. Live here now.
This is my land, and you know.
Who told you that this land belongs to you? But who told you that this particular land we are standing here now belongs to me? Live here now, else I will walk.
What is wrong?
Leave my land. Live here. Nothing is wrong. I want you to leave. This particular land we are standing here belongs. I am the rightful owner of this land, and you can't take it away from me. Leave here immediately.
Okay.
What is your problem?
Maybe you are not in the right frame of mind. Eh? Because you know this is my land.
You are not the owner of this. I am the rightful owner of this land.
You and I know this.
Okay, you are holding. No, let me look for a seat. Wait for me. Let me come. You see, sir. Wait is you know you want us to fight. No, you want to try me. No, Osita, you want to fight me. No, I want problem. Let us fight.
No, you have to face me. You will face me. You will face me here. What is wrong with you?
Obodo, that particular portion of land belongs to your brother. Your father made it clear when he was alive. It belongs to him. It is very clear. Why are you fighting?
Clear. To who? Osita. Listen, you see that very land? That land belongs to me. If I don't have that land, there will be no peace in this family. As for you, Osita, if you don't stay clear from that land, I will show you what is more ugly than the ugliest masquerade in this kingdom. You better hear what I said. Stay clear. Respect me as your elder brother. Else, there will be no peace in this family. You heard what I said.
Hey! How did my son end up like this? I am not a violent person. My late husband was never a troublesome man. In fact, he was always afraid of trouble. How can my son end up like this?
My husband, please. Let your brother have the land. I don't want any form of problems. I don't want trouble. You know how land dispute causes problem. The ones you don't even want or want to experience. Please, let him take it. It's not worth the fight. It's not worth the stress. Be cool.
You are right. Let him have it. We don't need this trouble. Let him go ahead and have it.
To top it all, he hasn't even finished farming on the lands he has. But he's dragging this one with you. Does it not show you that he's a troublemaker? A problem in human form. Ah, Pico.
My love, it's alright. I've heard what you said. I've heard you. He can go ahead and have the land. Yes, let him have it.
Let me go and make you something to eat. Oh,
please. I'm starving.
I'm coming. I'll join you soon.
Alright.
In times of want and needs, my sunshine, my all.
My beautiful wife. Take.
This one you are praising me.
I have good news for you.
Yeah. You know I love good news.
Yes.
Tell me.
Okay. Osita has finally released that land to us. You see that very land? That land is now ours.
Hey!
How are you, Mama?
But that land belongs to Deosita.
You said what?
That land rightfully belongs to him.
If I slap you, Oma.
Look at this. She has not got into that. Calm down. Let me attend to her. What do you know? What do you know, Chisom? Listen to me, you are just a child. And what are you,
Actually.
So when your parents are discussing, close your mouth. Di mama. So that land now belongs to us.
We are now the owner of that land.
Everything inside.
You see the yams, the cassava, everything
now belongs to us.
How are you, Amuzi?
This is good news.
Yes. What are they going to do with land? Nobody. Barren people.
I don't understand it. Instead of him to concentrate on getting his wife pregnant.
Yes, on Azana. For what?
Hey, I am so happy.
Yes, so
Obodo, sometimes you sound like you lack understanding. How could you suggest that we seek help from the people of Nkani, knowing well that those people like fights? Eh? You know if you don't return help they render to you, they will come after you.
Jidenna, I will call you by your name now. Is that why you tell me that I lack understanding?
Why not? If not, why should you suggest that we seek help from Kano people?
So, Jidenna, you are not scared of what I am going to do to you? You are going to tell me that I lack understanding?
You can't do anything. Small boy like you. You are threatening me.
You said I cannot do anything. No, Jidenna, you said I can. You look at you said I cannot do anything.
Oh, unpresent before, eh? Are you mad? Which one? You see your age mate?
Jidenna, you.
So I didn't know.
Oh, because he job away to
we shall see.
Obodo, go and sit down. You can't do anything.
All right.
We shall see.
Maggie here. You.
What can I go do? Sit down.
Hey, I'm going to tell you. Ijenu, bia. Someone just insulted me.
Who? Nobody.
Jidenna insulted me.
In this kingdom?
In this very kingdom. One useless idiot. I am here. In fact, I want us to go and fight that idiot.
Jidenna insulted you.
Me!
Does he know the husband of who you are?
He doesn't know.
And Jidenna insulted you, my husband.
Jidenna insulted me.
Come
and
show me.
Let us go and fight. Let us go and fight. Jidenna, you said I cannot do anything.
Why are you talking? How dare you insult my husband? You will keep
Come on. You said I cannot do anything.
Next time, you will not insult me. Don't kill me. I want to kill him.
Don't worry,
it's already finished.
Let's go. It's already finished. Let's go.
Leave me.
It's already finished.
I cannot believe this, Mama. I cannot believe what I heard. Ijenu and her husband, Obodo, beating a man as elderly as Jidenna. Hey!
This is a height of disgrace. A height of insult. Jidenna is old enough to be their uncle. Oh yeah.
This is not good. Mama, this is not good at all. I hope the elders take it easy on them because this is a grave crime in this land.
They deserve whatever comes to them as a result of this. They deserve it. Respect for elders is one of our greatest laws in this community.
I know.
But they don't know. No, they don't.
It's okay, Mama. It's fine. Oh, meanwhile, do you have any dirty clothes so I can help you wash them?
Chekube, my daughter-in-law, you are always the best.
Thank you, Mama.
May the gods continue to bless you for me.
Easy.
Thank you. I have dirty clothes that are in that basket.
I'll go pick them up.
Oh.
Don't worry, oh Mama. Everything will be fine. Oh.
Biajisom, say what you want to say, please. I have important meeting I need to attend to.
My friend, shut up your mouth. I have important meeting I need to attend to. Chisom, start talking. I don't have all day, please.
Why didn't you like causing trouble in this village?
Organikwa.
You two are the talk in the entire town. Why?
Chisom, Did you just say that we two are the talk of the entire kingdom?
Yes.
Hey, that's a good thing. It means that we are now popular. Yes, it's a good thing. Let me tell you something. In this life, yes, you have to be very, very strong. If not, they will swallow you and forget about you. Yes!
No. So you're saying I should start fighting?
Why no? Don't let anybody intimidate you. Do you understand me?
Listen. Ha. My beautiful daughter, don't listen to this fool.
Ese, what did you just say?
I said, don't mind this fool.
So I'm a fool?
Yes.
What is that your name? You are calling me a fool in the presence of our daughter.
Yes, you're a fool.
I'm a fool.
Oh, yes. Will you do anything?
I can look and say, yes, I'm a fool.
It's okay, no.
It's okay, yeah.
No, I can't get it. Cross here. Ijenu. Just cross here. Ijenu, okay.
Come.
Ijenu, it's okay. Ijenu. Ijenu. No, don't worry, I'm coming back.
You're running.
I'm coming back.
I don't blame you. Come here. Come and stay here. Listen to me.
Osita, my own lovely brother, please, Biko, Wannemoko, there is no money with me. And the elder said I should pay Jidenna 30 cowries for beating him up. And I don't have any money with me, Biko. Nyalumaka, if you can give me 20 cowries, I promise to pay you back in the next full moon. Biko.
Obodo, I don't think I have up to that amount in my heart. Times are hard for all of us.
My brother, I understand that times are hard with everybody. When I because you want them. But
Obodo, are you trying to say that you don't have up to 10 calories in your heart?
If you want to insult me, go straight and insult me. Let me know that you just, or if you don't want to give me the money, tell me so that I will leave here.
It's fine. It's okay. I will give you what you asked for. But please, this is the last time I'm giving you.
I sincerely appreciate.
Let me go and get it.
You are the best brother. Hey, you are very, very useless. Stupid fool. Come on, what is 20 calories? You just want to insult me because of ordinary, useless 20 calories. Nonsense. You are lucky that you accepted to give me that money. Nonsense. Oh, there's one name, my own brother. Oh.
This is what you asked for.
Thank you.
When are you paying me back?
My own lovely brother. Like I said, before the next full moon, I will pay you back your money.
No problem.
You're welcome. Hello. Hey, there's been one
Obodo Nibo, Koro.
Let me quickly go back so that I can pay the money.
No problem.
My regards to your family and everybody.
What are you doing here? What are you doing? Since you refuse that, you don't want to have sense. You don't want to have sense. Leave my child child alone. Chakube, how dare you? How dare you send my daughter to fetch water for you? Oebolugo! So because you could not give your husband a child, because you are barren, you now want to claim my own child. You now want to claim my own child, Omangalegi. It will never work for you. It will not work for you. If you want your own child, go and give birth. Leave my child alone. Biachisom, starting when? Starting when? You now fetch water for this witch. Hey. You now fetch water for this witch. You have not filled the jars in our house. You are fetching water for this witch.
But I filled everything in the house.
Shut up your mouth! You filled what? You filled what? Biachekube, if you want a child, go and get pregnant. Leave my child alone. Witch! Barren witch! Now you want to claim my own. It will not work for you. Una!
My love. What is it? Why are you crying?
Ijenu again. Ijenu fled Chisom for doing nothing. Right in front of me. When I tried to help her, she pushed me to the ground and insulted me. She called me barren.
My love, please. Don't let her words get to you. Ijenu speaks with wicked tongue. You know that. She's always looking for who to hurt. But remember, her words doesn't define you. The gods sees everything. They have their own time for everything.
How long? How long will I take this? How long can I take this, Obim? How long will I be mocked for not having a child? Every day same insults. Every day same words, same name, barren woman. I feel cursed.
No, my love. My love, you are not cursed. Okay? You are not. The gods haven't forgotten you. Okay? They taste the strongest of us with the heaviest burdens. When the time is right, we will have our own children. And those that mocked you will see us as blessings. All these pains will turn to joy. My love, please, stop crying. Wipe your tears.
I want to really believe this.
I want you to believe me, my love. I want you to believe me. The gods never forget those who endure with pure heart. Our own time will come. Okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Please, stop crying. Wipe your tears.
That woman Mbafo. She thinks she has everything. Bobu Oneko.
Imagine.
Oneko can bodu me. Oneko.
Oneko. She thinks she's better than us. Just because she has few goats.
Ordinary goats. Ordinary goats. Not like she has plenty land. Just goats.
Goat too.
Bobu Kobakia.
No.
Fuko Ihu.
No, Neko.
Catching pounds.
You know what? Just one goat we need from her. We will sell it and clear all our debt.
Steal it.
Yes, now I got you one of our goat. I will. we will sell it, use the money and clear all our debt.
You are very correct.
I'm making sense.
See, this is why I like you. Sometimes your brain will start functioning. Sometimes your brain will just scatter.
My beautiful.
You are very correct.
Yes.
That means you have to wake up early in the morning.
Very, very early.
You will be in the front, I will be at the back.
Exactly.
Observing.
Yes. Very, very early. She likes sleeping very early in the morning. So
okay. She thinks she has arrived.
Yes.
I saw one of our goats that is pregnant. Let us steal that one. People will buy it expensive.
I prefer us stealing the one that is not pregnant. We'll sell that one faster.
No. Pregnant goods are very expensive because yes, people will buy it very expensive and will clear our debt. But if we steal one that is not pregnant, that one, money will not come out like that.
Okay. In that case, I am going to eat very small tonight so that I wake up very early.
We are not eating anything. So make it pasta, otobo. Only food.
Okay.
We are talking about something that will benefit us now. For us to pay clear our debts. You're here talking about food.
Okay.
You're not eating anything so that you wake up early.
Accepted.
And you go to bed early.
Accepted. Mana, Nka decider, you give me this one.
I'll give you what?
Nka decider. This one here.
That is the only thing you know how to do.
You are my wife.
Massage my leg. If you need cook.
Just because of goat.
Goat, ordinary goat. Yes. This is one of our goats. So there's no need of going to our hut. Untie it fast. Let's go now. Untie it fast. Let me be watching. Let me be watching. Be fast about it now. Oh, would you be fast now? Nothing. The thing is that you are trying to steal my goat. No, we're not trying to steal the goat. And the thing is that there's no much grass here.
Yes.
I fear the rubber.
Yes.
There's not much grass. So we're trying to help you. Not to die under that ukwoloma.
Yes.
Like ukwoloma. Get that join here for thief. Actually, there's not much grass here. I fear the rubber.
We want the goat to eat well.
We want the goat to be healthy. Leave my goat for me.
Okay.
Is it yours? Sorry.
No,
we're just trying to help
yes,
out.
We are not thieves.
Thief!
Thief!
Look at that! On one fear. Want to come and carry my goods? It's okay.
Mba for here has sworn by the gods that he saw you and your wife untying her goat. Is this true, my elders?
It's not true. I did not steal anything. In fact, I did not take the goat. I can't be punished over something I know nothing about.
I saw you with my own eyes. Untie it. The goats are my weakness. If I lie, let me die. You tried to steal my goat.
Come in. No, no, just hold on. Mbafo.
Nine.
Be sure of what you are saying before the elders.
Yes, nine.
Did you say you saw him with your 2 eyes?
Yes, nine. I saw him.
Untying your goat?
Yes, nine.
Untying your goat, and then you also told us that you saw him trying to steal your goat. Hold on. Are you saying he was trying to steal your goat or he stole your goat?
They stole my goat.
They stole your goat?
Yes, nine.
This is not the very first time. It is not the second time. It is not the third. In fact, we cannot count the number of times reports, complaints have come to us because of you and your wife. I mean, within 1 week, within 7 days, also in Oboda. Look, are you the only people in this community? Don't you have shame? No, no, only fair.
We've had you up to this level. My fellow elders, I am of the view that we take this matter to the Igwe. Because his disregard and disrespect for our tradition is above board.
Ichioge, please help me and talk to them.
Well, I'm a problem with this boy. He will always be calling Ichioke. Am I the elders? What have I done to you? Come back, since right from childhood. This boy has always... Can you remember what did I do to you? Did I send you to go and steal somebody's goat? No. Ha!
Ichioke, yes. Taking this matter to the king will attract severe punishment.
Yes. I think so. Because they have done more than enough. If you check their history, these people are good for nothing set of human beings. So they deserve even more than this. They must be taken to the king.
They deserve the punishment.
You understand? So they have done enough. They have done more than enough.
Oh, Bodo.
My elders.
You will apologize to Mbafo and clear her land as compensation. This is our judgment.
Yes. Yes. Also, you clear the farm, you cultivate for her.
Because please, it's too much.
You attempted to steal. The intent alone deserves punishment.
Yes. It's enough offense.
Except you are not okay with this punishment. Then you will get something that will be heavy. Very heavy for you.
Huh? Yeah, it's okay.
Look at two of you. You deserve each other. Trouble people. Always looking for a fight. Remember, one day the problem you are looking for will definitely find you. Are you mad? How dare you? Because we are working for you. And we are coming. I will give you that problem. Why are you talking too much? Are we not working for you? Are we not doing your work? Why are you talking too much? Are we not doing your work? Because we are doing work for you. That's what you somebody else. Somebody else. I will not do your work. You want somebody like this, Papa? Bring your mind. Let me eat this salad. You will eat it. You will eat it.
I want somebody to assist me clear this farm. Okay, since Ofia has traveled, who else? Can you also go? Because I don't even know when he is coming back. Okay. Aha. I can't know chef now. Obodo. Aha. I think Obodo can equally do this work. Let me even go to his place straight. Let me go to his place. I will give him the job to do, so long as he will not tell me stories at the end of the day. Let me go to his place. Hey! How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey! I
hope all is well.
All is well. My name is Gonam. Mandine Jeje, Mandina Nana. Only Hana. Yes. Yes. I have a reason for actually being on the road at this time.
Okay.
I am looking for somebody who will assist me to clear my farm. Okay. And since Ophia has not been around, I don't know. But then I remembered you. I thought of you and I said to myself, you can equally do what Ophia can do.
Yes, I can do it. I can do it.
It's okay. The land is that one I have very close to the river.
Okay. That's your land.
Oh,
I know that land very well.
I want it cleared.
Good.
So that way,
So, Ichie, when do you want us to start work there?
There is no, if you ask me, ask none about Sonyago. So if you ask me, I will even say we can start today. Yes, let us start today.
Very, very fine, Ichie. I can even start now. If you can give me part of the payment, Ichie, I can assure you here and now that my wife and I will be in that farm as early as tomorrow.
That is a very simple matter. Akwado wepụta maka na onye ọbụla efuru na-eje ohi nna ya duri ohi olusi ebe ọ na-eje ohi ọ na-eje akpa gbawa the thing is that I am prepared.
Okay.
Yes, kambia asna mberede nyere dike mana mberede ka ya madi
to agodi no umegeji afọ.
I have some cowries here because when I left with it because I know I can meet anyone anytime and I'm ready to commit the person.
Exactly.
It's all right.
Exactly.
Have this.
Okay.
No, have all of them.
Oh, okay. Okay. With this.
No, I'm sure this will enable you to start.
Yes, of course. Ichie, as early as tomorrow, my wife and I will be on that farmland. Before noon, we are done with clearing and everything.
Man. Thank you very much. Hello. There is no problem.
Hello.
I've met you here. I think I have to go back.
Okay.
Ichie,
let me go. Ichie, mba,
money works for the blood.
Chisom, what is it?
My mother and father are fighting. They want to kill each other. Please come quickly.
Your parents are fighting?
Yes, you say.
Please come. Come, please.
I will not give it to you.
Yes.
Inechi, you're not
talking.
Inechi, you're not
I thought you said they were fighting.
Hey!
Enemies of progress!
Hey! You heard that we are fighting and you ran!
You better be
witness the fight! Look at this one! Barren witch!
Yes!
Instead of you to concentrate on giving your husband a child, consider giving him children!
You want to come and separate fight? Look at this one! You can't even present your wife!
Mind your business!
What are you doing here? Yes!
Concentrate on making him a father!
Yes!
What is your business? Even if we're fighting, can you
Obasaragi, is it your business? What are you doing here? What are you doing in our house?
As for you, Chisom, Opage, Onoba, I will deal with you later. What are you still doing here?
Leave here. Leave our house. We don't want you here.
Perform your duty as
yes,
a man.
Go and pregnant your wife. Yes. Go and get it. You this witch. She has taken all the children in her womb.
Look, always wearing red and red.
Yes. Onyamusu.
Red and red can't hear you in a cover.
Oh, Ndamusu.
Hey!
Ndamusu. Look at that.
Amusu. Go and get something for your husband.
Yes. Stop coming to our house.
Wait, are you sure? The question is dear man. Hey! Zoike. Bobu na ona agoge. Kita ke nyocha kite chokwe nyo oso.
Very fresh. Oh, for 7
Customer. Good morning. It's for sale. Very fresh. See you. They are for sale.
Everything in my basket is for sale.
How much are your vegetables?
Manchuangu, hanchanine, they are for sale. And let me tell you something, they are all fertile. Even my basket is fertile. If you think I'm lying, buy from me. When you get home, plant it at your backyard. It will grow overnight. Oh, poor zibo. Almost go borrow mo benine. Buy from me.
So how much am I giving you?
It's just 10 cowries. Both the basket, everything. But
I have 4 cowries here.
Okay, bring it. 4 cowries.
Okay, I should give you.
Bring it, no problem. Okay.
My mother will be pleased.
Thank you. Thank you. If you think I'm lying, when you get home, go and plant some at your backyard. You will see what I'm telling you. Everything about Ijenu is fertile. Even that basket you're carrying, everything around me is fertile. Everything about me is fertile.